Have you noticed something interesting? Every crisis creates the same investor. 2008 आया, I'll wait. COVID आया, I'll wait. रशिया यूक्रेन वॉर हुई, then I'll wait. Interest rate hike हुए, I'll wait. And now again, with the ongoing geopolitical tensions and market volatility, हर कोई फिर से वही बोल रहा है, I'll wait. Different crisis, same investor. And here's the interesting part. Most investors don't lose money because they have invested. They lose money because they never do. Let's be clear. Being cautious is not a problem. बिना सोचे इन्वेस्ट कर देना blindly is also not recommended. प्रॉब्लम ये नहीं है. प्रॉब्लम है कि लोग सोचते हैं वेटिंग इज ए न्यूट्रल डिसीजन, विच इट्स नॉट. वेटिंग इज अ डिसीजन एंड एवरी डिसीजन हैज अ कॉस्ट. रिस्क दिखता है बट अपॉर्चुनिटी की कॉस्ट नहीं दिखती. ओवर द years, while advising founders, entrepreneurs, and senior professionals on capital allocation through real estate across Gurgaon and Dubai, I have noticed something very interesting. The biggest mistakes don't usually come from bad investments. They come from opportunities which were never acted upon. And that's why every investor keeps repeating the same mistake in every cycle. अब कोविड को ही ले लो. जब कोविड आया तो सबने बोल दिया यार अभी अनसर्टेन टाइम्स हैं, रुकते हैं यार, आई विल वेट. फिर जब मार्केट रिकवर हो गया तो लगने लगा यार अब तो बहुत महंगा हो चुका है. When Gurgaon started recovering, people thought let's wait. When prices moved, अब यार महंगा हो गया. Similarly in Dubai, when the market started recovering, let's wait. But when the prices moved, now it's expensive. Language changes, people don't. The real question is, what exactly are you waiting for? Most investors are waiting for certainty. But certainty rarely exists. और जब तक certainty आती है, तब तक prices already बढ़ चुके होते हैं. By the time headline turns positive, the markets have already moved. Projects के prices बढ़ चुके होते हैं and opportunities become very less. That's why markets move based on expectations and not headlines. And this is where sophisticated investors think differently. They don't ask whether there is uncertainty, because वो almost हमेशा ही रहेगी. They ask how my portfolio should behave during these uncertainties. Whenever uncertainty arises, they ask themselves three questions. First, has my investment thesis changed or just the headlines? Second, am I looking at fundamentals or just the headlines? Third, what exactly are we waiting for? And what happens if that event never arises? Most investors never answer these questions. They simply delay their decisions. The goal is not to ignore the risk. The goal is not to invest blindly. The goal is make decisions based on fundamentals, not fear. Because every crisis creates the same investor. And the history shows that such investors usually do one of these two things. Either they buy later at a higher price, or they miss the opportunity completely. और इस क्राइसिस में the question is which kind of investor will you be? And if you're an entrepreneur, founder, or a senior professional who wants to decide how much should be his liquidity, कितना रियल एस्टेट में लगाना है और कैसे बाकी को एलोकेट करना है, we have created a special capital allocation form just for you. This form will help you evaluate your current portfolio, whether it's positioned for growth, protection, and liquidity. You can download the form through the link in the description.